Have you ever wondered what the real difference is between a PLC, an IPC, and an Arduino? At first glance, they might all seem like devices made to control machines or processes. And while that's true, the way they're used, their performance, and their role in modern industry vary a lot. Let's start with the PLC, the Programmable Logic Controller. It's the backbone of traditional industrial automation. You'll find PLCs everywhere on factory floors, running 24/7, controlling motors, sensors, and actuators. They're incredibly robust, designed to withstand heat, dust, vibration, all the harsh conditions you'd find in an industrial setting. PLCs use ladder logic, which makes them easy to program for electrical and control engineers. If you're dealing with a repetitive, time-critical, and reliable control task, this is your go-to device. Now moving on to the IPC, the industrial PC. Think of it as a regular computer but built for industrial environments. Unlike PLCs, IPCs are powerful, flexible, and capable of doing a lot more than just controlling machines. They can run full operating systems like Windows or Linux, connect to databases, run SCADA software, and even implement AI algorithms. In the context of Industry 4.0, IPCs play a central role, gathering data, running predictive maintenance algorithms, and communicating with cloud platforms using protocols like OPC-UA or MQTT. They're perfect when you need smart decision-making and high-level processing in your automation setup. So, where does the Arduino fit in? Arduino is an open-source microcontroller platform, popular in education, prototyping, and low-cost IoT applications. It's not as rugged as a PLC and not nearly as powerful as an IPC, but it's lightweight, affordable, and highly customizable. You can use it to build quick proof of concepts or deploy it in real IoT projects, like remote temperature sensors or simple automation systems that send data to the cloud. It's perfect when budget is tight and flexibility matters more than industrial-grade durability. So to sum it up, PLC, reliable, rugged, made for industrial control. IPC, powerful, flexible, perfect for analytics and smart integration. Arduino, lightweight, affordable, ideal for prototyping and IoT. Have you used any of these in your projects? Or maybe you're thinking about which one fits your next automation challenge? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss future videos like this.